Hello Gucci's team and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing a delicious recipe on how you can make your samosa spring roll filling. You can also use this for any other wrap. Trust me, you are sure going to enjoy it because this is very delicious. This is yummy and it's so healthy. Stay tuned and enjoy this video, and don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. Let's get right into the video. So in this bowl I have my shrimp. I added my black pepper. I went in with some black pepper. I'm adding my cumin. Add any seasoning of your choice. I'm going to add paprika. I'm going to go in with my garlic powder. I'm going to go in with my onion powder. I'll go in with my Goya seasoning. Use any seasoning of your choice. Go in with your salt. Okay, I added some of my green herbs. Here I have my butter. I'm going to add a little bit. And I'm going to mix my shrimp together with all of this seasoning. So I'll set it aside so it can marinate for some minutes. And then I'm going to bake this for about 5 minutes. So I'll go ahead and chop my onion into bit sizes. So you can chop your onions to your preference. Here I'm going to chop my garlics in very tiny bit sizes, and I'll get it in because my husband doesn't like garlics. Add it to the bowl. Get your peppers. You don't really have to add chili peppers if you don't like chili peppers, but honestly I like it spicy, so I'm going to add some chili peppers. And yeah, add it to the bowl. Chop in your scotch bonnet peppers. I like scotch bonnet pepper and I want some of it. I added a little bit of ginger here. I'm just going to chop it all in, just in bit sizes, and I'll add it to the bowl. This is my potato. Just clean your potato up nicely and chop it to the size of your choice. You can chop it in cube sizes also, or you can choose to just mash the potato and add it in. This will help it to thicken, you know what I mean? Instead of you adding flour, you add your potatoes. So you can also add your spring onion. If you don't have spring onion, that is fine. Here I am trying to chop my shrimp into very tiny pieces. That way it can be able to go into the wrap. Alright, so here are all of my prepped vegetables that will be going for this delicious filling. Trust me guys, once you add all of this together, you are going to be sure that you're going to be enjoying a delicious spring rolls, a delicious samosa roll, a delicious flatbread wrap. Okay? Yeah, you can also use this for any wrap. I choose to add carrots. So go in with your oil or butter. Toast your onion. I like to toast my onion for this recipe until it gives me that lovely brown color. Guys, look at how beautiful. Go in with your black pepper. Go in with your cumin. Go in with your thyme. Go in with your onion powder. Go in with your garlic powder. Go in with your paprika. For color's sake, go in with your tumeric. And go in with your Goya seasoning. All of these guys will infuse deliciousness. Add some salt to taste. Add Maggi. And just mix everything together, guys. At this point, my kitchen smells very incredible. Trust me, guys. I wish you were all here to enjoy this deliciousness with my family. Sometimes you crave, right? And you want to just quench that thirst, you know. Go in with your potatoes at this point. Add in your shrimp because you want all of this to get to marry each other, to get to know each other, you know, and everything will come out so yummy and delicious. Go in with your peppers. You want everything to start infusing those beautiful deliciousness into this delicious pot. Add in some water. That way everything will come out tender. Look at how beautiful my pot is looking. If you have watched till this point, please give this video a massive thumbs up. This is your delicious samosa filling. You can go in with carrot at this point. You can decide not to at this point, okay? So I have some shredded carrots and I'm going to be adding it in. Guys, look at that. This is so delicious. You can also choose to add some green peas if you have. If you don't have, at this point your filling is ready, trust me guys. But because I have all of this already, I'm going to add some of it so I can just have enough vegetables in this very beautiful filling. Do you know I can make meat pie dough and still use it for this purpose? Yes. Once I have this at home, I can just wrap anything like my bread wrap. I can use my bread wrap to just eat this and enjoy it. Go in with your spring onion and our filling is ready. At this point you can use any bread wrap that you have, flat bread wrap. You can use this. You can even go in with shawarma wrap. You can even wrap it with spring roll wrap and so on, and you're going to enjoy this filling. Guys, give this video a massive thumbs up. This was an order and I just needed to do this quickly, and trust me, we enjoyed this deliciousness. If you want me to show you how I make my samosa wrap, let me see your comments in the comment section. Which is still be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves a merciful heart. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video. Bye.